Falls news today for a special bulletin. We're having a special edition of Remote Control. Thank you.
3.
Hi. Welcome to an edition of Remote Control. And we are going straight to contestants. Contestant number 1. Contestant number 1 is from Bombay, India. His name is... His name is Hakeem Aluka. Contestant number 2, what is your name? Apparently he has no name. Contestant number 3 is Lee Hanson. He's the daddiest of them all, so...
My name's Kevin.
His name's Kevin Brown, contestant number 2. Let's go straight to the game. Question number 1 is...
Not so loud, butthead.
Question number 1 is, who was Batman's assistant?
No shit.
Number 1 is Robin. Number 2... Number 2 is Perry. Number 3 is Superwoman.
Ding.
Ding, ding.
Number 2.
No.
Number 2.
3. No.
2.
No. I'm sorry, that is the wrong. Contestants.
Hey.
Number 1. Hi.
Achim.
Hi.
What's your hobbies, Hakeem?
Achim.
Yeah, number 2. What is your name?
What?
See you.
Okay.
All right. What is your hobbies?
Oh my God. Catching frogs and watching Discovery Channel.
What is that?
This is my lucky Smurf.
Okay.
I got him when I was 3.
All right. The 3 high.
I got him when I
Okay.
was 3.
Oh. Let's go straight back. God. Oh. Here's the next question. Who was Fred's wife?
On the think.
Ding.
Dub.
Dino. Dino, no. 3. Contestant number 3.
Oh,
All right, wrong. Contestant number 2.
George Jetson.
Wrong. No points changed. No points rescued. Now let's go to the other question. What channel do you want?
No.
Number 2?
I forgot my control. Did I do it? Can I use yours? No, it's mine.
All right, Akeem. What channel?
Okay.
Okay, Akeem. Okay.
Channel 2.
2. Let's go to channel 2. Who?
Ding.
Who was Timmy's dog?
Ding. Okay, ding.
Contestant number 3.
I
Not wrong. Contestant number 1.
Okay.
Ah. Contestant number 2.
Nickelodeon.
Number. What do you want?
3.
Number 2.
3.
Shut up. Contestant number 2. Change your channel. What do you want? All right.
33.
Sing along with Colin. We are at Sing Along with...
not now.
Sing along with Colin. Let's go to Sing Along with Colin.
No.
Go.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily.
Elvis lives. Sing.
You want to stay with?
Channel 4.
Channel 4.
Stay at Channel 4.
Here we go. Here we go. All right. Set. Go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Colin.
Sing.
Achim. Yeah.
Channel number 3.
Is that beautiful?
What channel do you want, Akeem?
Achim.
Okay.
I'll still go.
Okay. Here we go.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a chick, E-I-E-I-O, with...
Is that Pretty Rock? We'll turn it up. Achim.
What? Oh, someone's off the air. Who's? Oh, stupidly. Oh, isn't that a shame? He's gone. Here we go. Today is a speed round. Speed round is such as if I say Fred Flintstone, you say Fred Flintstone. Got it? Let's go to the speed round. Okay. Wait, cut. All right, speed round. Here we go. Sing Fred Flintstone.
Mickey Mouse.
No. All right. Wilma Jetson.
Remote control.
Wrong. Cincinnati if he gets
We're lucky Smurf.
if he gets 4 videos, he wins. Ooh. Ready? Here we go. Ready? 30 seconds. Now.
Johnny Watley!
Yay! Oh!
MTV!
Yeah!
Underwear!
Is potential. We've found
Michael Jackson!
Women!
Mr. Ed!
He won! He
What's our grand total of prizes?
His grand total of prizes is a Samantha Fox poster and Opie! And it's new